Hey guys, welcome back to Startup Yourself. The Bitcoin fever is officially back as the world becomes more and more obsessed with cryptocurrency. If you do not yet know what they are, don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll tell you all the basics you need to know about cryptocurrencies. A cryptocurrency, also known as crypto, is a digital currency that can be used to buy goods or services online. It uses an online ledger existing in a form of a computerized database with strong cryptography to secure online transactions. Cryptocurrency does not exist in physical form like paper money and is typically not issued by some central authority. Cryptocurrencies use decentralized control. Each cryptocurrency works through distributed ledger technology, typically a blockchain, that serves as a public financial transaction database. The blockchain shows the transaction history for each unit and is used to prove ownership. Because cryptocurrencies transactions are verified using a blockchain that relies on computers, they are considered more secure than centralized currencies. Thanks to the use of such public ledgers, there's no need for a third party to ensure additional trustworthiness or transparency. Moreover, the cryptocurrencies are not subject to governmental monetary policies. In 2009, a programmer, or maybe a group of programmers whose identity still remains a secret, under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto, created the first cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. All the other cryptocurrencies that have been established afterwards are called altcoins or alternative coins. Ethereum, Dogecoin, Monero, Binance Coin, Cardano, and Tether are a few examples. So basically, cryptocurrency takes the form of digital assets, which can be bought by buyers using money, and these assets can then be exchanged online for goods or services. More than 10,000 different cryptocurrencies are traded publicly. Cryptocurrencies can be bought on exchanges like Kraken, Bittrex, Poloniex, to name only a few, the three largest ones really. The good news is that these exchanges are legal in nearly all countries. You can use US dollars to buy some crypto, such as Bitcoin, while others can be purchased only through some other crypto. To purchase crypto, you need a wallet. It's a digital app that holds your currency so you can exchange real money to buy crypto. The digital purse also offers anonymity because it's encrypted. The value of a crypto is not fixed. It varies depending on basically what people are willing to pay for it. Similar to any other trade, supply and demand are the basic factors that determine its value. Node value, which is a measure of active wallets of the currency, is also a good indicator of the value of a crypto. Similarly, the direct costs and opportunity costs of producing a coin determine its value. Bitcoin, for example, has a high cost of production. Cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoins have many benefits. The transactions using crypto are safer, cheaper, and really fast. It takes only minutes and there's no transaction fee. You can purchase anything, absolutely anything, using crypto, such as socks or a book or a car. You can even buy your favorite burger or pizza using Bitcoins. Just some technicalities involved there, but it's actually possible. You'll be amazed to know that the first known commercial transaction using Bitcoin occurred when a programmer, Laszlo, bought 2 Papa John pizzas for 10,000 Bitcoin. A wide range of online dealers now accept Bitcoin as a payment method. Moreover, many payment platforms such as BitPay, Square, and PayPal have started accepting payments in Bitcoin and other crypto. It's been quite a talk about crypto so far, but before we dive any further, why don't you take the moment to like the video and subscribe to our channel so you never miss an update. Cryptocurrencies have a fairly high chance to become the currency of the future, but they also have several drawbacks due to which some investors consider them the next bubble. Crypto are subject to cybersecurity breaches and may fall into the hands of hackers. There have been instances of this, and investors suffer losses of hundreds of millions of dollars. The high volatility and potential for large losses is a major concern, and a very valid concern at that. There have been huge ups and downs in the value of cryptocurrencies over the years. In 2011, the Bitcoin price started at 30 cents, and today, the Bitcoin is worth $39,000. So, if you're lucky and attentive to the market trends, you can make millions. Many people are concerned about the real-world utility of cryptocurrencies, as it is virtually useless outside a cryptocurrency exchange. The total number of companies and businesses accepting crypto is yet microscopic. Some governments aren't exactly up for digital currencies and do not want to allow cryptocurrencies to undermine their own central banking-backed currencies. This includes China, Turkey, Algeria, and others. If this continues, crypto is unlikely to become the global currency. Another possible drawback is that Bitcoin supply is finite, roughly 89% of which has been reached in April of 2021. It's believed that Bitcoin will run out by 2040, despite more powerful mining equipment. Parallels have been drawn among the Bitcoin rush of today with the Dutch tulip mania of the 17th century. Bitcoin may become the digital equivalent of gold in the long run, but that is yet to be seen. And with that, we wrap up today's video. We'll be back real soon with another amazing video for you. Subscribe to our channel if you have not already and click on that bell icon. We're sure you don't want to miss out on any future videos. Also, tell us what you think in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.